Unity Web Player is a browser plugin which lets you play a wide range of games and watch loads of 3D content developed on the Unity game engine. Designed by Unity Technologies, the plugin is a huge improvement on products like Adobe Flash Player and Adobe Shockwave. It allows smoother, more detailed 3D graphics often used in standalone games. Unity Browser plugin is compatible with several web browsers, including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Internet Explorer. While the plugin focuses on game development in Unity's native game engine, it also supports other content from leading developers and designers. If you install this plugin on your Windows PC, you get access to some impressive games right in your browser. Before continue, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. These help me to create more content, thanks. If you've been involved in a games development environment or simply love playing 3D games on your PC, you must have heard about Unity Technologies. The company uses a solid game engine to design and develop a wide range of titles for fans around the world. In simple terms, Unity is one of the leading cross-platform, all-purpose 3D and 2D game engines. The company's web-focused 3D game development platform is the Unity Web Player, which is available for Windows and Mac devices in the form of a browser plugin. Just like the company's native game engine, Unity Browser plugin is the web-based version of the amazing graphics engine. With advanced rendering technology, the platform allows you to load 3D apps and games in a wide range of internet browsers. Since it's compatible with most browsers, you can use Unity Web Player on various devices. The lightweight download package can be installed on the computer within seconds. The official website of the development team uses impressive demonstrations and graphics to explain what this technology can do in terms of content. The control panel of the platform lets you customize various settings, including cache, memory, graphics, etc. With Unity Web Player, you get instant access to next-gen 3D graphics. Due to the credible work of the development team, the platform has been immensely popular around the world. In fact, people love that Unity supports numerous platforms, such as desktop, mobile, TV, web, VR, Arkansas, console, and more. Since almost everything in gaming has been transitioning from local devices to the web, Unity Web Player seems like an excellent choice for gamers and hardcore 3D gaming fans. Compared to GameLoop and other similar programs, which focus on emulating Android devices, Unity Browser plugin is a much better choice to enjoy 3D games on your PC. The download package has been licensed as freeware for 64-bit and 32-bit Windows operating systems. As such, you can use the program on your PC without any restrictions. Unity Web Player is available for gamers and hardcore players across the globe. While it works well with the latest version of Windows, you shouldn't experience any issues on older platforms either. It's worth mentioning that the compatibility for this program may vary, but shouldn't be a cause of concern for Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 8.1 devices in 64-bit or 32-bit setups. There's also a separate x64 version available from OT. If you want the best all-round performance from Unity Web Player, it's important to let the program automatically download updates whenever necessary. Since the development team is backed by a solid community, you can expect regular updates with new features and functionalities. Despite the lightweight installation package, Unity Browser plugin plays an important role in playing 3D and 2D content designed with Unity Game Engine on your PC. It's important to note that the software acts as a standalone game engine but uses the web browser's resources to access hardware. Therefore, it doesn't need any third-party libraries, such as Dirix or Opingle. With Unity, game developers around the world have built rich 3D games with excellent graphics, animations, and immersive physics. With the browser plugin, these games are being easily delivered to fans across the globe. Compared to similar programs in this category, there's not much to criticize Unity Web Player. The only drawback is that high-end graphics could mean some games will be quite heavy on system resources. Also, you need a stable internet connection to load games quickly. While these drawbacks would be annoying, they aren't a deterrent for hardcore gamers